Roles of teachers and parents in child development. The role of parents and teachers in child development is vital. Parents are a child's first teachers, offering love, care, and teaching basic skills like talking and walking. They create a safe space where children learn emotional expressions, manners, and values. At home, children start to understand how to interact with others and the world. The importance of parents' roles in child development. Socio-cultural development. The child learns how to interact with others by working toward a common goal, developing team spirit, selecting the right friends, and much more. Physical development. Parental guidance can instill in children a healthy exercise and eating regimen to achieve optimal physical development. Parents should remember that their children set a good example. Spiritual development. Teaching your children to be more accepting and to believe the greater good can help them finding in their lives. Allow them to explore spiritually on their own terms rather than forcing them to adhere to a specific religion. Mental development. Parenting methods assist the child with learning innovatively, embracing setbacks and overcoming them, understanding discipline, taking criticism, also reward and punishment concept. Cognitive development. Positive parenting increases children's cognitive, social, and problem-solving abilities as they grow up. Teachers build on this foundation by introducing children to new ideas and experiences in the classroom. They teach problem solving, teamwork, and how to explore the world. Teachers guide children in learning to share, communicate, and think creatively. When parents and teachers work together, children feel supported and grow in every way, emotionally, socially, and mentally. This partnership is essential for a child's success, helping them develop the skills they need for life. Both play a key role in shaping happy, confident, and capable individuals.